Such an endeavor would not have been possible without the support of multiple individuals and organizations. The conference was put together in a very short span of about 4 months, and so it did require a lot of dedication, cooperation, support from a number of people all across. I would like to highlight the key sponsors of this conference. So first, of course, our very supporting host, the Ramaiah Institute of Technology, where the conference is being held. Boeing has a long association with them. We have presence on this campus by way of the Boeing Research Lab. But having said that, what they have done in support of this conference is tremendous. So I would like to mention Dr. Jairam, who is the chairman of the Gokul Education Foundation, as well as the chancellor of Ramaiah University. The second key sponsor for this conference is Boeing India, and I would like to highlight the support by the entire leadership, but especially Mr. Ahmed El-Sharbini, who is here in front of you. He is the MD of Boeing India Engineering and Technology Center, and also the chief engineer of Boeing India.
This year is the Diamond Jubilee of Ramaiah Institute of Technology and the 100th birth anniversary of our founder chairman, Dr. MS Ramaiah. This year, various activities are planned and conducted through international conferences and national level hackathon. The preparation for this conference has been initiated in July 2022. I must appreciate the hard work and the dedication of Mrs. Jaya Jayan, ASME India Private Limited, and Dr. Om Prakash, Boeing India Bengaluru, and the team for making the conference a memorable one. With this consent of our management, we assure our continued support in all our future endeavors. Putting a conference of this magnitude together is not a minute task. To that end, I thank all the officials of Boeing India, ASME India Private Limited, and all other members of the organizing committee. I also thank our honorable management for sponsoring the event at Ramaiah Institute of Technology. I hope you will have a productive and a fun-filled time during this two-day conference.
On behalf of the Ramaiah Institute of Technology, I am welcoming all the dignitaries on the dais for this August premier conference in additive engineering, manufacturing, and allied subjects in aerospace and aeroscience. We have been associated with the Boeing for quite some time, and jointly they have set up a research center in our campus. So first of all, I will like to thank Boeing for their continued support to see that our students are exposed to the best of aerospace engineering, and Boeing, for what it is, has given us, our students, a lot of fillip into the interest in avionics. Thank you very much, sir, for being here. And today, this conference, jointly sponsored both by Boeing and ASME India, has attracted the best of talent from all around the world. And on behalf of MSRIT, Ramaiah Institute of Technology, I wish this international conference all the success, and let all the participants gain. And we from Ramaiah Institute of Technology will have all the pleasure to see that the best of facilities are extended to you during your duration of this conference, and stay in Bangalore. Thank you.
For me to be here at this inaugural event, it's a very special pleasure to join my fellow co-hosts up on the stage, and I thank each of you for your involvement. It's, as Madhukar said, I'm Tom Costabile. I have the honor and truly the privilege of serving as ASME's Executive Director and CEO. I bring greetings from ASME's President Karen Olin, ASME's Board of Governors. We have the former governor here with us today, Sriram. Actually, Sriram was on the committee that hired me, so you did a good job, sir. Thank you. And of course, our leadership team, and Michael Johnson, who's our ASME strategic officer, is with us on this trip. I have a special thanks to the organizing committee. ASME is as good as it is, it's because of our volunteers. Everyone on the stage has a key part, not once, but time and time again, in making these types of events very successful. So Dr. Atre, it's a pleasure to meet you, sir, and thank you for your leadership and your support, and more importantly, your inspiration of engineering education for a good number of years. Dr. Sitaram, thank you, it was a pleasure to meet you. I look forward to doing much more. Dr. Nadu, thank you, sir. It's been a pleasure as well. I'd be remiss if I didn't say thank you to Ahmed for allowing Kalapa to be here, because he gets the stuff done behind the scenes. But thank you, Dr. Kalapa. And of course, my buddy, Arun Mali, he's around the world doing everything quietly. I wish I had his energy, because Arun, thank you for what you do for Boeing and for all of us.
All kinds of things what this so-called 3D technology can do in civil structures, houses, bridges. A bridge in Shanghai, recently a steel bridge in Netherlands, which was installed, so on and on. I read about what it could do to medical electronics, on prosthetics and artificial organs. I read about something what it can do in the transportation sector, all kinds of components, including seats and so on. And then aeronautics, all kinds of areas, especially for the engine components of the wheels. So clearly there is some technology which seems to be very highly product-oriented. In fact, this is what bothered me, who has less than perfunctory knowledge in this particular area, and never worked in this area, to accept the invitation of my good friend Naidu and Shantanu Bhattacharya to come and open to you my ignorance about this particular technology.
We do have a global presence. Engineering is in more than 60 countries. And in my function, mechanical structures engineering, we're in more than 22 countries. And narrowing down just to mechanical and structural engineering in that last column, we have, in my function, we have more than 9,000 engineering individuals. Over 500 of those are here in India. Got to meet quite a few in Chennai and Bengaluru over the last couple of days. We have a larger contingent in the US, but we're going to be growing. And some of that growth, a great portion of that growth will be here in India. So I want to talk a little bit about the Boeing and ASME relationship. It's a long-standing relationship. It's an important relationship. It's one of our top external technical affiliation relationships we have at the Boeing company. And I'm not going, there's a lot of words on this slide. I'm not going to go through all the words, but I just wanted to highlight the categories. Why do we engage with ASME? It's a way for us to strengthen the Boeing brand and the reputation of Boeing.
The ability also to reduce our global greenhouse gas emissions in our logistics of the operation, and that is by using our secure solution with our blockchain, which is also worked on with our teammates here in Boeing, India. And what we do is we create that digital build file, we embed it in-house, we're sure it's stable, and then we encrypt that with our blockchain solution. And we can send it to a qualified supplier, and you can see the map where we're thinking of, right? And so we are. This is something that we're working on. We have we have one production order using this technology in place right now, and we have globally demonstrated this about half a dozen times with different vendors. So finally, I like to say that I kind of steal an Elon Musk quote here, I'll get to that, but one of the greatest aspects of additive manufacturing and sustainability is part consolidation. People always ask me at Boeing still, Melissa, how many parts are you making? And I say, you're asking me the wrong question. Ask me how many I am eliminating. That's the right question. Okay, so we have a situation right now where our engineers are designing a certain thing. I can't talk about it, but it has 40,000 parts.
ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, ಬೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ASME ಜಂಟಿ ಒಂದು ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಬೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮತ್ತು ASME ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 180-200 ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ, ಸುಮಾರು 13-14 ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳು ಬಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೂ ಇದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹವಾಮಾನ ಒಂದು ವಿಮಾನಯಾನ ಒಂದು ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅತೀವಾದ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯವರು. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆಂಟ್ರಪ್ರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಇದೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.